Welcome to 200 Manor Court, Unit A, a paired home right here in the heart of Windsor. Absolutely accessible to the parks, the schools, all the shopping, grocery stores, and everything you could hope for right here on this corner lot. This paired home features a 2-car garage as well as maintenance-free living. Both landscaping in the front and the back is maintained at the fee of the HOA, as well as true main floor living, 4 beds, 3 baths, an absolute stunner. So let's go check it out. The main feature of this home that I absolutely love is the true main floor living. Here you have the first floor, main floor office for all of your needs, which doubles as a secondary bedroom. Right down here you have the washer dryer as well as access to your 2-car garage. As we pan over here, we have our kitchen that opens up into your eating space, access to your deck, covered pergola. We'll talk about that one in a second. The primary suite right down the hall here, just absolutely spacious. As you can see, room for a large king size or cow king bed with 2 nightstands on each side, as well as the large walk-in closet behind me, and your primary bathroom that includes a step-in shower and has been nicely updated with a quartz countertop, as well as a sink and vanity large enough for all your needs. One thing about this entire main floor is the owners have gone through and put LVP flooring, allow for easy access, not a lot of bumps, nothing to trip on or anything like that, but absolutely brings a little bit of modern touch to this wonderful home. Out this tour, I definitely wanted to show you this backyard. Again, a fully private fenced backyard, separate from your neighbors, but the HOA does do the lawn work. As long as you leave that gate open, they'll be out here and mow it for you. You do have a sprinkler system, as well as this wonderful Trex deck that has been extended by the previous owner, as well as a pergola that absolutely is the cherry on top to a hard day with west-facing views and all of the things. So don't miss this one. A couple features that I did not speak of during the tour: newer windows in some areas, as well as new furnace, new AC, and again, that easy to clean, easy to maintain LVP flooring that has been installed. So if you're looking for a little bit of a slowdown, maintenance-free living, this is your answer. Please reach out today for a private showing. I'd be happy to show you. See you next time.